Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by using the account that holds the contacts. Sign into that Google account on your phone now and make sure Contact Sync is enabled. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, then toggle Contacts. Once signed in, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges because restores can be big. If you recently changed accounts, switch back. If you need to, add the account first. This gets the device ready to pull data from Google Contacts and prevents conflicts with other contact sources. Next, open Google Contacts on your phone or on a desktop browser for more control. Tap the menu, choose Settings or Manage Contacts and pick Restore, then select the account and a restore point. Google keeps changes for 30 days. Choose how far back to go and confirm. Once restored in the cloud, make sure your phone syncs immediately. Open Account Sync, force a sync. If you expect duplicates, run Merge and Fix on the desktop first, because it prevents messy merges on the device. Finish by forcing a manual sync and validating results. Go to Settings, Accounts, select the Google account and tap Sync Now, then restart the Contacts app to refresh the UI. Make sure the app is set to display contacts from that Google account and not only device or SIM contacts. If items are still missing, clear the Contacts app cache, remove and re-add the Google account, or open Contacts. Google. Com to run Restore again. One key tip: use Merge and Fix and display filters to reveal hidden entries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.